Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Kingdom Soapery here. We are going to be making some citrus shower steamers, and these things are absolutely awesome. They use the fragrance oil we have is a citrusy fragrance oil. I got it from Nurture's Garden. I'll show you in a second. It is actually called Giggles, so it has like lemon lime notes to it. It's a really nice fragrance if you want a citrusy fragrance. I use it in soaps too. Does not accelerate, does not discolor. It's a very well-behaving scent. But like I said, today we're going to be doing shower steamers. And I'm coloring this also with Yellow Lakes, and that is suspended in glycerin. So I'm kind of new to making that for myself. So, and we're adding in the coconut oil. And this recipe, I will go ahead and put in the link below. I use a lot of her hand presses for bath bombs, and in this case, we are using them for our shower steamers. Now in this bucket I do have menthol crystals that are dissolved in rubbing alcohol. And then mix, mix, mix. This is, you want your texture of your shower steamers are going to be a little bit different than what you would do with your bath bombs. So this is more of like a wet sand consistency. So, and you want to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. I kind of mix it a lot. But your rubbing alcohol is going to evaporate, so you do want to work quickly getting it mixed and pressed out. So, and I added a little bit more colorant because I didn't think that it was dark enough. I don't know if you can tell, but it is yellow. It's got like a yellow hint to it. Alright, and when I do my bath bombs and my shower steamers, I do measure them out. The shower steamers are about 1 to 2 ounces. So, and these can last like 1 to 2, well, it depends on where they set these in the shower. So you can put them off to the side. As long as it's not in direct contact with the water, they can last for multiple showers. If you have them in direct contact with the water, it will last less than 5 minutes. So I always direct my customers to make sure that they keep them out of the water if they do want to have them last a really long time. So, and I'm going to speed this part up just a wee bit because I made a ton of these things. But what I also did put in there, I don't know if you can see it, but I did put some calendula flowers on the top just to kind of make the top a little bit more interesting. Okay. Oh, I put it in the bottom so it goes on the top. But anyway, I'm going to speed the rest of these up so then you guys don't have to sit here through each one.